everyone. This is your Professor Dr. Moina Mobile from Dr. Amika's Institute of Chemistry from my own office. You can see my office, right? I know you're familiar with my office right now. You know how it looks like and what are the things around me. That's my office. Well, it's pretty good. And I am doing some work right now. Well. So, what I'm doing right now is, you can see, I'm checking your copies, and this is the evaluation sheet. See how I evaluate marks. I'm not showing everything, right? These are the copies. Still I'm in the evaluation process of your copies. I'm checking down the things you have written. You've written nicely, but still there is a chance of improvement. Always there's a room for improvement always. So I'm here, very much here now. I've checked your journals. They are lying over there. I can show you your journals. Yes, you can see there your journals, right? So these are your journals lying here. They are checked. So that's me. Well, this is also part of my job, and to show you what I'm doing right now in my office. And then I think not very much of the teachers, they show up with what they are doing in their offices, but I can show you. I have nobody here sitting around me chatting or wasting my time, and there's also, I don't need that much gupshup. I need to work. When I'm in the office, I wish to work and work and work, and that is what we are paid for. That is what we are supposed to do when we are at work, right? So after the evaluation process, definitely I'm going to today, hopefully, or day after tomorrow, or maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will evaluate the marks, and then I will put them on the final award sheets of all the students. Well, I am not that much surprised the results I'm getting from you people, because I have been providing you enough knowledge and enough information about your theory as well as your lab work, right? So all my videos that are on the YouTube and are on the LMS are all the proofs that I have been in touch with you people. But still, I'm not surprised the way you have written in the copies. Some of you have just filled the copies, and some of you have really done the work. Majority of the students are good in answering to what we are asking. So I'm happy for all those students, because a student's success is a teacher's success. So I am quite successful when I look at your copies, and I can show you a copy, of course, filled like this. So I feel like, yes, you have worked hard, and you have followed my instructions, and you have learned nicely from online classes, during the online classes, and I'm happy for that. And hopefully you will be getting good marks in your both the subjects which I am teaching you right now. So I thought I must share my views, and I must show you what I'm doing right now. And so that's it. I hope your exams are going well, and you people are you must be coming up with nice results you'll be getting from your teachers. And I wish you all good luck, and keep in touch, keep watching, because I've been constantly uploading the videos. So keep in touch, whether you are my students, whether you are not, but this is for all the chemistry students. So I'm happy to share my knowledge with you. Whatever I feel interesting, I share. What I'm interested in, I share. Thank you so much to be with me. Well, there's an old concept of a teacher. In Urdu we call him Ustad. That he is always holding a chalk in his hand and he has a blackboard behind and he's constantly writing some content on it. So it's not like that nowadays. You know, you have to move on. You have to move with the, I mean, with the direction of the wind, right? So it's not like that. The teacher is not a human, or teacher is a superhuman. It's not like that, right? We are also normal humans. We need to breathe like normal people. We need some entertainment too. We need happiness too. We need to boost up. Also, we need to boost ourselves up so that we can transfer the same positive energy to our students, right? So the point over here is that I received few comments that, ma'am, you're a teacher, you are only supposed to deliver or present the lectures. So it's for that mindset, that please clean your minds from that concept. It's not like that. We are teachers, but we are also multi-skilled. We know how to transfer our knowledge to you people, right? How to build up our students to some better place, right? To build them up so that they can also face the world. Do you have any idea how many things I'm facing at one time, right? You don't have that idea. You just have that imagination in your mind that a teacher is only supposed to come in the class and he should start writing on the board and he should be in the books always, or he should be around the books. It's okay. Yes, we are like that. We are. When I am in the teaching, when the teaching will start, it's not the teaching timings nowadays. University is in the examination process, is going through an examination process, and I am evaluating and I'm on duty, right? I find very less people who are on duty, so I am on duty. But the point is here, which I want to clear to you people who are only thinking that a teacher is bound only to, is limited to a board and a chalk in his hand. It's not like that. Yes, you have to be on duty, you have to perform your work, you have to be with the chalk and the board when it's needed, but when it's not needed, it's okay. I have a whiteboard I can show you right now. Just look at my whiteboard waiting for me to write down. So what that shows, that I am a teacher, right? I am a teacher and I am teaching. So I do not need to justify anything to you people, but this is only for those mindsets who thinks that a teacher is not a normal human. A teacher is not someone who is supposed to have any sort of entertainment or any sort of extra oxygen to breathe. No, if we are fresh, if a teacher is fresh, if a teacher is boosted up, if a teacher has ideas, if a teacher has enormous plans, he can transfer the same positive energy to his students. This is what I can simply say, because I am unfortunate in getting knowledge from my teachers the same way I'm transferring to my students. There was a lot of gap between a teacher and a student. When we were students, we were not allowed to enter their offices even. After, so much of the knocking and asking them and permission from them for multiple times, they were very rude. I'm very sorry to say, but I never had a very nice experience of my teachers. So, well, I am not like that. I'm a very friendly teacher. I allow my students to come to my office to sit on these sofas. They come and sit on the sofas. It's not for anybody else. It's for my students also. They come and sit and they get their problems solved over here. So I'm proud of myself to be a very friendly teacher who is always available for the students. So I hope now you got a teacher's point of view. It's not only, teacher's not limited to a board and a chalk only. Keep that thing in your mind. Thank you very much.